Thank you for joining us again today. We're reading from the book of Luke, chapter 8, verse 43. A woman having an issue of blood 12 years, spent all her living on physicians, neither could be healed of any, came behind him, talking about Jesus, and touched the border of his garment, and immediately her issue of blood staunched. Now I notice here that this woman had tried everything else. You know, dear sinner friend, maybe you've tried everything else. Maybe you've tried reforming. Maybe you've had an addiction of some kind. You've gone to rehab. You've tried counseling. Maybe you've even tried religious whitewash. But you know, it's not going to be any real help until you find Jesus. And this woman, even though that she waited till last, even though she tried everything else, he was still willing to help her. Now, he lets us know here that, you know, she had to fight a crowd to get to him. You know, unfortunately, sometimes that, you know, for people to get to the Lord, they have to wade through a lot of crowds. They have to wade through hypocritical Christians. They have to wade through agnostics. They have to wade through everything in the world, people trying to discourage them. But this woman wouldn't be discouraged. She kept on going. Her strength was low. She was almost bled to death. And finally, with her last ounce of strength, seemed like she fought through this crowd and reached out and touched the hem of his garment. And when she did, she felt his healing power. Don't let the crowd stop you or get in your way or hinder you from coming to Jesus. Thank you.